Did PayPal permanently limit your accounts and blocked transactions? Here's how to appeal that decision and potentially regain access. So a permanent limitation usually means PayPal suspects serious violations like fraud, illegal transactions, or violating its acceptable use policy. If you had a balance, it may be held for up to 180 days while outstanding claims or disputes are resolved. PayPal typically doesn't share detailed reasons, just a general policy reference, for example, inconsistent with user agreement. So now, how to appeal. Log in and visit the Resolution Center, upload requested documents, ID, proof of transactions, and follow the provided steps. After that, submit a clear, respectful appeal, email to escalation addresses like service@paypal.com, etc., explaining why the limitation was likely a mistake. Then stay persistent, call support, escalate to supervisors, and follow up every few days. Some users saw results within 12 to 48 hours when their case was accepted. Right, now appeals are rarely successful, but it's worth trying if your account was limited wrongly. Any remaining funds may be released after 180 days, assuming no claims remain. If appeals fail, creating a new account may violate PayPal's terms and lead to another ban. So guys, you need to be careful. Fighting a PayPal permanence limitation takes time and persistence, but can work if you present a clear, honest appeal. Like and subscribe for more finance recovery guides. Right guys, like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.